kilometers donkey to donkey. Yes.
Ang laki
So,
ng
kaya po nila mga rinig po, 3 kilometers donkey to donkey, communication way po nila yun. Apo. Okay, that one naman po ko kanina, we have the black pipe kakadu. This one naman po is the white kakadu, or also known as the umbrella kakadu. So, tinawag po siyang umbrella kakadu dahil meron po siyang crest sa kanyang ulo. Whenever they become excited po or nagugulat, tumatayo po iyon semicircular, similar to an umbrella. So, that makes it the umbrella kakadu or the white kakadu po.
Ba't hindi umaalis yun?
Diyan po sila. Diyan lang po sila, hindi po sila umaalis. Sweet night po yung tawag dyan. Ganyan po sila maglambingan. Yes.
Baka mamaya, ma-knockdown yun.
So, umbrella kakatu po, they usually love chewing and playing on trees. Kaya hindi po sila umalis. That one naman po is the rainbow lorry. Player-friendly bird po yan. It is the world number 1 of the world most colorful parrot po. Yes. Okay, everybody po move forward po sila.
Hindi lang nilagyan ng
Ayan.
joke.
This one naman po is the blue name parrot. Andun po siya. So, those have a 500 peso bill. You can check it on the back. Siya po yung ibon sa likod ng 500 peso bill. So, endemic po siya sa ating country, meaning po kadalasan siya makikita sa ating bansa. So, it is locally called as the Picoy or the Philippine green parrot po. Andun po siya.
Blue na parrot. Iba nagsasalita yung tinuturuan.
Kaya po ito, this bird is what you call the Tarintic hornbill. Endemic po siya sa country. Usually po makikita siya in Palawan area or Mindanao po. Yes. And this one naman po is the umbrella kakatu or the kakatu alba. Alba is a Latin word in English means white. Yes.
Uy!
Everybody po, you can
Ano yung
kabayo?
Kabayo, Dre, kabayo, Dre.
And
Donkey.
for those who want to have a photo encounter with our Philippine Eagle, all for only 50 pesos po, pwede po sila magpa-picture kay Michael. So, ilalagay po yung ibon sa kanilang shoulder, unleashed po yan, kahit ilang pictures po.
Owl yan.
Okay. Now, everybody yung hindi po magpapapicture, move forward po sila.
Follow.
Okay, that bird po yung nakita po na is what you call the golden pheasant or the Chinese pheasant po. Originated po yan from China, so Chinese believe that it brings abundant life on them and good luck. So, it is a representation of Ibong Adarna from Book. Andun po siya. Okay. Yung nakikita niyo naman po isa dito sa what you call the Luzon breeding heart dove, hindi po sila mga broken-hearted. Natural po nilang kulay yun na parang may blood yung kanilang puso.
Kalapate.
Yes. So, endemic siya sa ating country po, na matatagpuan din po yun sa Philippines. This one po is the golden pheasant or the Chinese pheasant. Okay, the other side po tayo, opposite side, tingin po tayo dito na side. Okay, that bird on the back is what you call the cassowary po. Cassowary is a family of ostrich. They are the flightless po, and heaviest bird. Ibig sabihin, pinakamalaki din po silang ibon next to ostrich na hindi po lumilipad. But they can run up to 50 kilometers per hour at once po silang considered as dangerous bird. Dahil po whenever they're being threatened, kaya po nila mag-release ng frontal kick that can rape a human skin. Yes. And they are also
There's no
bird and
fish.
solitary. As you can see, they have their own enclosures, but they prefer to live alone. Pag-ikaw ba sa animal din po sila, meaning hindi po sila contented sa isang partner.
Ano gagawin mo dyan?
Naka-video, nakikita mo.
Alam ko. May girlfriend.
Wala.
Okay, everybody po inside the black na yung our people, group of parties with your people pa. When you say people to your when you say people naman,
Goosey, goose.
Gansa,
Goosey, goosey. Peacock? Ah, peacock. Hoy, Kin. Peacock. Galsa. Goose. Geese. Wala. There's a fountain.
Retang kain na po ulit ang butete. Well, butete. Ay, kahit na pala goldfish yung animal.
Ewan eh. There's a goldfish.
Parang picture natin ito.
Kaya ka mamidyo kayo. Peacock.
Oh, wild. Picture namin sarili mo. Peacock. Ano yan?
Ano yan? Wala man. Wala man. Inuman lang yan eh.
Wala man.
Asian small-clawed otter. Otter. Matugtog niya pa.
San?
Donkey.
There is a otter in there. And the donkey. Uy, ostrich. Dagulda. Yung itlog niyan, mas malaking malaki. Ostrich. Big ostrich. Big.
Ostrich ka dagulda.